Welcome back to Let's Talk English Conversation LTEC. Hi, hello, how are you? This is golamsaroarsumon. You're watching me on a rainy time because it's raining in my home and it's raining in my area. Actually, I like very much when it's raining, and this is the rainy time. And today is Saturday, is my office day off, and this is the time I'm getting a lot of enjoy, and I'm enjoying this time because this is the leisure time for me, and in this time it's raining. So today I will talk about how to pronounce and how to make a sentence by the word of rainy, because you have to know about how we can express our feelings while it's raining. So it's raining. This is the first sentence. It's raining like cats and dogs. This is the second sentence. And I like the rainy time. This is the third sentence. And rainy time is actually so beautiful. This is the fourth sentence. Number 5, how beautifully it's raining. This is the sixth. Number 7, I actually like rainy time. You can make many more important sentences by rainy time. And it's rainy time and it's drizzling. So do you want to watch how it is looking in my home when it's raining time? This is my home, and you can feel that this is a rainy time, and this is actually very fine, actually beautiful when it's raining in my home. And my home is so beautiful, and it becomes more beautiful when it's raining. So I'm getting a lot of enjoy here. So you can practice by the word of raining. You can make many more sentences when it's raining. So always keep on practicing in English. When it's raining time, you will make all the sentences by rain. Thank you very much. Tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz.